Doctorado, mire. Le voy a poner la llave. Ok. Pongo la llave. Que prendan los pilotos. No la voy a prender la guagua. Cheque. Ella lo hace también sin encenderla. Ahí están arriba. Mira, ahí se bajaron. Y luego van a subir otra vez. Ahí subieron otra vez. Y algo suena aquí abajo. Algo suena clic. Mire. ¿Ve? Ahí se bajaron otra vez, mire. Y regresa otra vez para arriba. Entonces lo mismo lo hace con el motor encendido. Lo voy a apagar. Quita la nueva. Vamos a dejarla que se cure un rato. All right, let's see. So we put the needle. Alright, so nothing's happening. They're not playing around now. So let's start it up. See, it went off. So this is what you're gonna do. The first sign, what's gonna happen first? The first symptom you're gonna have is the ABS light on. When you're driving, that light is gonna come on. When that light come on, in about 15 minutes, your truck is gonna die. It's gonna go off, it's not gonna start anymore. So as soon as you see that light come on, that means you have a big problem coming. And another thing is, it's not doing it now, but when the key, let's see if it do it. If it does it. When you have the key on or the car running, the needle, they will like reset themselves. They will keep going up and down, up and down. So right now, not starting. Let's see. Yeah, crank no start. Put the key on again. Okay, so they went up. Alright, so they're not playing around like before. But I'm gonna still put a little video how they were acting up. See, so it's start and die. So I replaced the fuel pump, thinking that it was a fuel pump, because if I put gas in the engine over there, it will stop. Put the key on. Let's see. Whole needle went up. And of course they're not coming back down now. Alright. So we crank it up. It's not starting. Alright, so it's not fuel pump. Let me show you what it is. So this wire here, the negative wire, she's right here. That's what you're gonna need. This whole wire right here. It goes from the battery to the alternator and the body of the car. So I'm gonna show you what's going on down here. Okay, so that wire, it goes to the chassis over there. The other end came off. Now the other end supposed to go right there, to the body of the car. So this is what I'm gonna do just to prove you. I'm gonna tuck the wire here. the 15. Okay. So I'm gonna tuck the wire here on this bolt, and then I'm gonna go show you. All right. So I put it right here behind the bolt, AC compressor bolt. So now we're gonna go back up. So we're gonna go back up. Still got the wire here. Still not on. So now the van, now it should start right up. So let me wait a little bit. Now I'm gonna crank it up. See how now it's start. So I'm gonna turn it off. Crank it up again. And there it is. So when you start having those problems, the ABS light is gonna come on, your car is gonna turn off. It's the main ground that goes to the engine. That's gonna need to be replaced. Okay, so you're gonna need a hammer. You're gonna need a long chisel, because this ball is a 15. It will not come out if you don't remove that bracket of the AC compressor. So you don't want to go through all that. So you get a chisel and a hammer, and you break chisel it out a little bit right there, just a little bit, because the ball is gonna hit right there. It's not gonna come out no matter what you do. So you can break that off a little bit, chisel it out with a chisel. Well, it's not a chisel, it's a nail set, that thing right there. See, with a round tip, just get that. You hit it right on the edge a couple times. Where did it go? Right there. You hit it right on the edge a couple times, and then the bolt will come right out. So you can have your cable. That cable right there. Okay. So before you pull the other cable out, make sure you tie something on the end of the cable so you can pull your other one the same way. So when you pull it down, it will come out. Same way it went in. Okay. There we go. So you don't have to be struggling. Alright. So there's one end. And there's the other end. There's a little piece which you chisel out, which is nothing, just to be able to get that ball out. So there it is. It's on now. Now we go on the top, attach it to the battery. We should be good. So there's our new cable. Alright, so let's start it up. go. No more ABS slide. No more gauges playing around. And now start right up. Thank you for watching.